Okay, let's take a quick look at how you would embed a Phonesites page into another website. So what I'm going to do is take this page here. This is a live Phonesites page. I want to take that page and embed it into another website. So here I am in the dashboard for that page. So I'll go to Settings, down here to the Embed code, click on it, which copies it to the clipboard. Then I'll head over to the website. I just made a quick embed your Phonesites page on our main website, which this is what it looks like without anything embedded in it. So I want to put that embed code to make that form show up in this area. So I'll go back over here and I will add an HTML block and paste that embed code right into that HTML block, update the page, come back over here, refresh it, and there it is, embedded in your own website off of Phonesites. You can use that just if you wanted to put the form in there without anything else. You could do that as well.